The point of games is to win.
Wrong. The point of games is to have fun, but we forget that because we're competitive.
Come on!
Sometimes you stop having fun because games get repetitive and boring the more you play them. It's even worse if you already know all the cards or the same person's just winning over and over again all night.
Woo! Yahtzee again, motherfuckers!
A praying operation.
Whatever.
So how can game nights be fun again? Lots of booze, but you can't do that with kids. Shouldn't. You shouldn't. It's definitely not buying many expansion packs for each of your games either.
What the? How much did you spend on carbs digestion frequently? You should be taking out the garbage. Why didn't you mow the lawn? Your mom is a fuck.
But what if there was just one? Meet Face the Consequences. It's a universal expansion pack you can add to any game to make it better. Well, not any game.
Cry yourself to sleep in your mother's basement? Huh. I was gonna do that already.
Face the Consequences adds a loss mechanic to games that typically just have a winner. That's a fancy way of saying that most players are losers. That's actually true. You see, usually when you don't win a hand or a round, you kind of just sit there and you didn't win. But when you add Face the Consequences, players with the worst card, or who take the longest, or who break a house rule, they have to pay the price.
Shame! Shame! Shame!
What kind of price? I'm glad you asked. Drag your butt across the floor like a dog. Chug a full glass of water. Find the largest container you can. Get on the ground and attempt to swim across the room.
Someone get this lady a snorkel.
Pretend you have lost all control of your body for 15 seconds. Pie to the face. Get a handful of whipped cream, sour cream, jelly, whatever.
I'm done. Oh, wow.
Roll a piece of paper into a horn like a unicorn and stick it to your forehead. Now prance. We've played Face the Consequences with over 55 games. Games that rhyme with Schmonopoly, Gloping Gazzard, Cards Against Schlumanity, What Do You Schmeem, Imploding Schmittens. I can't afford a legal department. And when everyone's having fun, even the losers, that's like cool and stuff. The best part is there's no firm rule on how to use the consequences. You have total creative control to use it however you want. 99% of the people we playtested Face the Consequences with said they loved it, even after we bribed them with unlimited beer and pizza. Except for Tucker. But we all know a Tucker, don't we? Face the Consequences core deck is all ages appropriate for wholesome family fun. And the not safe for wimps version is more exciting for us adults of refined taste. Is this chicken broth? So for just $20, you can make all your games fresh again. And let me tell you, there's plenty of ways to make an extra $20. So give Face the Consequences a try. And if you don't like it, we 100% guarantee we won't rickroll you.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around.
Okay, that I lied about. You can just give it to a friend.
Thank you, Kickstarter backers, for pledging at any level. And get ready to face the consequences. I'm starting to dislike the finger guns.